Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Wise account. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone. Now let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open the app on your phone. And you'll see this kind of page on your screen. And here you can see that you can either connect with your Google account or register for a new account. To register, we'll be using our email as well as phone number. So go ahead and tap on the register option so that we can sign up for an account. So first of all, let's enter our email address on this box. Then tap on next. Then on this page, you'll have to choose what kind of account you would like to open. It can be a personal account or a business account. I'll be selecting personal account for this video. Now on this page, you'll have to enter the country where you reside on this box, and after you're done, tap on next. And as you can see on the screen, now you'll have to verify your phone number. So select the country code and enter your phone number on this box. Then tap on send code. Now you'll have to wait for the code, and once you receive it, you'll have to enter it here. The code will be entered automatically. Now go ahead and create a password on this page. Be sure that the password fulfills all the requirements, at least 9 characters containing a letter and a number. Now tap on register. On this page, you can also protect your account with biometrics if you want to, but that's optional. So if you want to set up biometrics, then you can simply tap on where it says set up biometrics and continue. If you want to skip, press on not now. I'll be skipping for now. On this page, if you have already decided what you would like to do now on the app, then you can simply tap on one of these options. If you haven't, tap on decide later, which I'll be doing. Here's the international currency comparison page, and there's also the same currency page. Here you can simply tap on continue and move ahead. Now you'll have to add some recipients. So for that, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then here specify your recipient, whether it's yourself or other. Now all you have to do is enter the account details, and once you're done, your account will be set up. Under bank details, you'll have to enter your own details. That is your full name as depicted on the account, the bank name as well as the account number. On the other hand, under recipient address, you'll have to enter the recipient's information. The country, city, recipient address as well as the postcode. Once you fill all this information, you can tap on confirm. When you do that, your account will be set up, and then you can start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.